Hello and welcome to Daddy Fever. The best canned foods to eat on the Mediterranean diet, according to a dietitian. Trying to eat healthy but don't have time to cook from scratch? No worries, here are the best canned foods you can eat on the Mediterranean diet, and yes, they're dietitian approved. Number 1, canned chickpeas. They're not just for hummus. Chickpeas are loaded with plant-based protein and fiber. Add them to salads, roast them for a crunchy snack, or blend them into soups, healthy, filling, and affordable. Number 2, canned tuna in olive oil. This is a Mediterranean must-have. Rich in omega-3s and heart-healthy fats, tuna is perfect for quick lunches. Choose the ones packed in extra virgin olive oil for maximum benefits. Number 3, canned tomatoes. Tomatoes are full of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Use them in pasta sauces, stews, or shakshuka. They're shelf-stable, cheap, and bursting with flavor. Number 4, canned white beans or cannellini beans. Creamy, high in protein, and full of fiber, these beans are perfect for soups, side dishes, or even smashed on toast. Plus, they're amazing for your gut. Number 5, canned olives. Salty, satisfying, and full of healthy fats. Toss them into salads or eat them straight from the can. Just watch the sodium if you're sensitive. Number 6, canned sardines. Don't ignore these small fish, they're packed with calcium, vitamin D, and omega-3s. Add them to toast, mix with pasta, or enjoy as a protein snack. These foods are proof that healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. No prep, no guilt, and 100% Mediterranean goodness. Eat better. Feel better. Live longer. Like and follow for more healthy food ideas made simple.